Thank you very much, Lori. We've had several folks email us and tell us they saw a funnel cloud with this storm system as it came through the southern part of Loudoun County. So there is confirmed that there is a funnel cloud inside this system, whether it's touched down or not. More than likely, the notch right there, or the inflows right there by the airport, as Becky was just talking with Lori. Some of the communities that are in the path of this storm: Arrowhead in 3 minutes. How about Newbert Springs in about 5 minutes? The Governor John Sevier home in about 5 minutes. And this will continue to move through the southeast part of Knox County. We're prepping some. We do have the possibility of showing you some of those pictures. You can post them at pics@wate.com and give us the information that you have in your community. Also on Twitter at #6weather. Let us know what's going on in your community. What's interesting about this type of scenario is that some of you are seeing torrential rain and large thunderstorms, and others are seeing sunshine. And it's when that sunshine gets out, it destabilizes the atmosphere and provides fuel to some of these storms. Still looking on the south end of this storm outside Alcoa, Rockford, and it's now past the airport. It's the northeast part of Blount County, but right here is where the inflow and outflow is, and that's a 60, 43 mile an hour winds. Obviously, there's some nasty winds there. It could be causing some damage, and now we update this, and this is Alcoa Highway as you come down through Rockford right toward the airport. And this is past the airport, but it's over Rockford right now, and there's the notch or the inflow. It's not a classic hook echo, but it's enough that the radar is detecting some sort of rotation in there. Not a whole lot of lightning, not a whole lot of hail, but a whole lot of heavy rain and some damaging winds possible with these storms as they move through the northern part of Blount County and the southern part of Knox County. Little Brook community, Edgewood Acres, it looks like it's past there, past Eagleton Village in Blount County, but now it's headed up toward Newbert Springs and Arrowhead, moving into the south part of Knox County. This is Alcoa Highway, Topside Road here, so it's moving east of there, probably east of that now, but it's headed toward Chapman Highway, Governor John Sevier Highway, and that's what we see right here, moving up toward downtown Knoxville. So if you are one of those that are at home right now watching, you want to make sure if you have to go down Chapman Highway that you might as well just keep it at home or at the office for a little bit, because it is going to be a nasty commute down Chapman Highway right here for the next 15-20 minutes. And then if you're in Kimberlin Heights area, Johnson Bible College, up toward the river and the interstate here, this is going to be moving toward Jefferson County, maybe northern Sevier County. It's held together quite a long time as it's moved up from the southern part of our viewing area, as the tornado warning remains in effect officially for Knox County and Blount County until 4:45. So we've got a little bit more time, about 20 more minutes, as this lifts off to the north and east. Right now, that's the only tornado warning that we have in effect officially for Knox County and Blount County, but the possibility of more storms coming our direction is definitely there, because the main storm front, cold front's back to the west of us. These are some of the communities that are in the path of this storm, and more than likely, since these are moving 50 to 55 miles an hour, they are going to be there quicker than we expect on this storm track right now. That's why we're giving you advance notice, trying to project the projection of these about 60 miles an hour to the northeast, and that's exactly what we've seen so far with this. All these little dots right here, these are individual communities, starting down here with Rockford, where the center of the storm is right now, and then lifting off to the north of these. There's Stock Creek and Newbert Springs, and then we'll continue to head this off into South Knox County. So let's reset and find out where the warnings are right now. We've got several warnings.